Hey, Beck, how you doing? Hey, Jimmy, how you doing? Hi. Hi, buddy. What you doing over there? Are you trying to ride the girl's motorcycle? What are you doing? Yeah? Can you figure it out? Oh, is it walking? Watch out. Here it goes. Are you gonna go as fast as your sisters? Here comes Becky. Whoa! Okay, Jimmy, your turn.
My things haven't came.
All right, Jimmy, what you doing? What are you doing? What are you saying? What? You gonna figure it out, kiddo? Yeah.